outside.
Hang on, we've got to do a safety induction and everything first. We don't just let you on the bikes and go. Alright, so your bikes, they're automatic. They should be in H and they stay in that gear all day. You don't have to touch the gears at all. Brake levers, you have two levers here on your handlebars. One's a front, one's a back. Just use them both together at the same time when you need to stop. You only have the one that works all four wheels on its own. So it's just a different kind of bike, this one.
Okay.
You accelerate today over on the right side underneath the handlebar, this little toggle with your thumb.
Okay.
That's your accelerator. So the harder you push, the faster you go. Just get a feel for it when we first take off. A nice, firm, even pressure on it. Don't pulsate it in and out, just slow, firm pressure on it. You also have a brake under your right foot, that lever down there on the platform. That's a brake as well, so you can either use that one down there with your foot or the ones with your hands, whichever one you prefer. But the motor does stick out on that right hand side and it does get quite warm, so I wouldn't use that one if you've got your ankles showing. I'd just use the ones on the handlebars and stay away from that one down there. Nice firm grip on the steering as we ride along out there. If you've got phones and that, please keep them in your pockets while we're riding along. We will stop out there for some photos, so no need to take them out and use your phones while we're moving. We do some pretty big hills out there. When we come down those hills, keep the bikes in a straight line. Don't turn on the face of the hills and don't use any brakes as we go down the hills. If you want to go slow, just let the bikes roll. They'll only roll down there slowly. Just take your finger off the accelerator and they'll only come down at walking speed. Couple of hand signals out there. This one means come to a stop, please. This one means to slow down a little bit. We could be coming to a little drop off or something through the dunes. And this one to speed up a bit. So this is a guided tour out here, meaning I'll ride out in front and everyone follow behind. Too dangerous out here through the dunes. There are drop-offs everywhere through the dunes. I know where the drop-offs are, so please stay in my tracks at all times. You get outside of my tracks, you could go over the edge of one of those big drops, and some of those drops are 50, 60 foot high, and they're vertical, so you just don't want to go over there. If you just roll, you just go to hospital if you go over those drops. So please stay in my tracks when we get out there on the sand. That's pretty much it. Any questions at all?
That's it.
Alright, we'll get used to start them up. You've all got that key in front of you. Just turn it one click to the on position.
Yeah.
Put your foot on that foot brake just for a moment until we start up. And then hold your finger on the green button until it starts.